Well, anyway, I voted first, but then I changed my mind. Sayang nga eh. Kaya lang, I just find this guy more effort. The way he with his costume. And I choose again Mr. Tayuman.
Mr. Tayuman. For being picked back to back. So we have our first candidate who gets to pick back to back. But you can see if this time around, Mr. Tayuman bats the title of Mr. Thief outfit for the night. Now let's hear it for
Okay, for my choice, I guess eye contact is very important for me. Kumbaga kahit medyo heavy na yung costume, pero at least na-feel ko kung paano siya nakarelate sa audience. No? Even if natakpan yung mukha niya, natakpan yung body niya, pero when he entered the stage, talagang makikita mo yung boom. No? Kumbaga, I love the red color, so I pick Mr. Taft Avenue.
yes, Mr. Taft Avenue. There we go.
Are you going to choose the winner for the second? Yes.
So maybe request our top three to kindly proceed in the middle. So ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our top three contestants. Of course, we have Mr. Jonathan Alagin awarding our winners. And our winner later on for our top choice.
Sealed done. Signed and sealed, as they say.
But of course, for those who weren't picked, guys, grabe yung mga outfits ninyo. I do understand, medyo hassle suotin, probably makate, things like that. But you guys pulled it off. Kudos still to everyone. But our winner for our best theme outfit. Sino? Isitan! I guess this person was well explained by the judge. So congratulations to Mr. UN Avenue! So yeah, we have Mr. Tayuman and Mr. Urek, if I'm not mistaken. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, your best in theme outfit, Mr.